Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the benefits of being a risk taker. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Benefits of being a risk taker. Being a risk taker can have both advantages and disadvantages depending on the context and the risk involved. Here are some potential benefits of being a risk taker. Number 1, opportunity for growth. Taking risk often leads to personal and professional growth. When you step out of your comfort zone and face challenges, you have the opportunity to learn, adapt, and develop new skills. Number 2, innovation and creativity. Many breakthroughs and innovations occur when individuals or organizations take calculated risks. Trying new things and experimenting can lead to creative solutions and novel ideas. Number 3, achieving goals and dreams. Some of the most significant accomplishments in life require taking risks, whether it's starting a business, pursuing a passion, or making a major life change. Taking risks can help you achieve your long-term goals and dreams. Number 4, building resilience. Risk-taking can build resilience and mental toughness. Facing failure or setbacks as a result of taking risks can teach you valuable lessons and help you bounce back stronger. Number 5, increased confidence. Successfully navigating risk can boost your self-confidence. Knowing that you can overcome challenges and obstacles can give you the belief in your abilities to tackle future challenges. Number 6, financial rewards. In the business world, taking calculated risks can lead to financial rewards. Investing in stocks, starting a business, or making strategic financial decisions can potentially result in significant financial gains. Number 7, networking opportunities. Taking risks often involves meeting new people and expanding your network. This can lead to valuable connections and opportunities that you might not have encountered otherwise. Number 8, personal satisfaction. Many people find a sense of fulfillment and potential satisfaction in taking risks. It can be exhilarating and rewarding to pursue your passions and dreams even if it involves some level of risk. Number 9, adaptability. Risk takers tend to be more adaptable and open to change. They are better equipped to handle unexpected situations and adjust their strategies as needed. 10, leadership qualities. Risk-taking is often associated with leadership. Leaders who are willing to take calculated risks can inspire and motivate their teams, driving innovation and progress. It's important to note that not all risks are equal, and taking riskless or ill-informed risk can lead to negative consequences. Successful risk-taking often involves careful consideration, research, and planning to maximize potential downsides while maximizing the potential benefits. Additionally, risk tolerance varies from person to person, and what constitutes a risk can be subjective. It's essential to find a balance between taking risk and exercising caution depending on your individual circumstances and goals. Okay guys, so this is a very wonderful topic that I presented, no? Benefits of taking risk, being risk taker. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.